layup lang sa ano na eh. Layup eh, layup? Is this a variation of the blanket drill? 162, 182 over here. 184, 135. Oh, they're all looking over the shoulder. They're getting competitive. They're taking this seriously. 184 is our current top scorer. Once again, if you're just checking in, this is the Make It Rain Grand Championships from Time Zone. We are about to proceed to our final round, but right now, we have our special guests trying out the Slam Jam machine. PBA champion, Chris Newsom. Prince Carlos from the CSB Blazers. UAAP champion, William Navarro. And of course, from Barangay Ginebra, Chin Kings, Mr. Benedict Adamos. In the lead, so far, nagtitinginan sila na score, guys. They really take it seriously. In the lead is the youngest one. Prince Carlos, who's not even done with college yet, is currently in the league. Can you believe it? Is this a sign that the future is bright for Philippine basketball? Can you believe it? So far in the lead, 449 in second place. Kaya-kaya pang habulin. Kaya-kaya pang habulin. Not that big of a margin. Let's go.